Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be making a new project and download it to the FX0 PLC. First, we will click on Create New Project and choose the right PLC we're using. We can choose from a simple or structured project. The difference is that structured projects follow the PLC IEC 611313 standard, and the simple project is more like the old-school Mitsubishi GX developer. We will be using the structured project with ladder logic language. Before we start to make our program, we will need to add some tags from the global label list. To add a tag, we click on the button with 3 dots. It will first let us choose which data type we want. Then we can choose a name for our tag. And which address on the PLC it should be connected to. We will be making 3-bit tags to make a simple latching program. Now that all our tags are ready, we can start programming. To make a normally open contact, we click here and move it into our program by clicking again where we want it in our rung. Then we add our tags we previously made by typing their names on the contacts. To add a normally closed contact, we either click the normally closed contact and move it in, or else we can change a normally open contact by double-clicking it and check the closed contact option. And then we add our coil, which is our output. We will be making a holding circuit. It is known as a latching circuit. It will make the output bit hold itself until the normally closed contact breaks the circuit. I will show it later in the video. If needed, we can name our programming rung. To do so, just double-click the black bar on the left side of the rung and put a name. Now, since we are done, we will save and compile our program to see if there is any errors occurring. To see if there is any errors, we can check it here. Some warnings may occur, but they can just be ignored. Now we will plug in our programming cable to the PLC. I am using this USB SC09FX cable, which I will put a link in the description if interested. Before we download our program to the PLC, we will make sure we connected our programming cable correctly. To do so, we first go to Connection Destination and then Connection 1. Then double-click on Serial USB and choose the right COM port connected to the PLC. And now click on Connection Test. There will be a message popping up that tells if there's a connection or not. To check which COM port we are connected to, we have to open up Device Manager and check under the Ports tab. Here you can see I am connected to COM port 3. To download a program to the FX0 PLC, we need to put it into stop mode. By doing so, we pull the lever to stop mode. To be sure it's in stop mode, we can see that the green run lamp is now turned off. Now we are ready to download our program. We will only check the main program box, so the least amount of memory is used in the PLC. It will only download the main program without comments by doing so. Now we click Execute and let the download do its thing. We can now begin to test our program. First, I will put the PLC to run mode again by pulling up the lever. Now that the PLC is in run mode again, we can go online in the Ladder Logic program to monitor all signals in the program. I will now push the start button to make the output signal latch itself. And now that I press the stop button, the holding circuit will break. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn how to simulate a Mitsubishi PLC.